Still no sign of any real summer weather. In fact, in the week ahead, I think we're going to have some more outbreaks of rain, but hopefully nothing like the rain that Wales had a few days ago. As if I need to remind you, Llandudno 175 millimetres, Aberporth 147 millimetres. That's sort of 6-7 inches in a number of spots there. Now today it's very different. We have a little bit of a weakish ridge of high pressure across us, although as I said, in the week ahead it's not necessarily going to be all that different, because we will be looking to the Atlantic, as indeed we're beginning to do so now, because already looming large out there on the Atlantic is a good deal of cloud. But if we zoom in towards the British Isles, you see that the cloud we have across us at the moment is tending to break, at least in some western areas. And I think that process is probably going to continue. There is a little bit of drizzle in parts of Northern Ireland, the southwest of Scotland, the extreme southeast of England, but I think that should tend to die away, and slowly but surely most parts will brighten up, at least for a time this afternoon, with a little bit of sunshine. But then on the other hand, across Ireland and the southwestern corner of the country, the cloud thickening again towards evening, and some outbreaks of rain coming into Ireland, as well as the extreme southwest. Now I've put on the chart there that there'll be a cold breeze. There is indeed a cold northerly wind blowing right the way down that eastern coast, and a little bit of a chilly breeze across the far southwest as well. So the temperatures will be held down in those areas, but once that sun pops out, it should turn out to be reasonably warm, certainly warmer than we've had for the last couple of days. I think 16-17 degrees or so in a number of spots for a time this afternoon. Now during this evening and tonight, the cloud will be thickening across the southwestern half of Britain, bringing eventually with it some outbreaks of rain, one or two fairly heavy bursts of rain in the extreme southwest there. In those southwestern and cloudier areas it will be fairly mild overnight, but a chilly night to come in the northeastern corner, touch of ground frost even in some parts of eastern and northeastern Scotland. There's the front bringing the rain during the course of tonight and tomorrow, so a cloudy start with outbreaks of rain in that southwestern half, one or two showers, and brighter in the northeastern half. I think during the course of the day the rain will slip away into France, most places eventually drying up, staying fairly cloudy, but a little bit of brightness perhaps before the day is out. More fronts for Tuesday, pushing outbreaks of rain in from the west. Again, one or two fairly heavy bursts of rain, and that rain eventually followed by brighter weather in the far west with some showers. Now, I don't think necessarily that front's going to scoot east just as quickly as that. In fact, on Wednesday there may still be some outbreaks of rain affecting eastern parts of the country, but it will clear out of the way. Then we're going to find brighter weather around the middle of the week, some sunshine, but there will be showers. In fact, as time goes on and we head into Thursday and Friday, there'll be an area of low pressure moving down towards the north of the country, packing in the isobars as well, so it will turn out to be fairly windy, and as that area of low pressure moves across, not only will it be windy, but there'll be some showers around as well. I think the showers are probably going to be heaviest and most frequent in northern and western areas, where perhaps there could be one or two rumbles of thunder as well. If anything, the showers not so frequent in the southeastern corner of the country, so they're